How to use Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. First, turn on your TV. Make sure you're at the home screen. Step 2. Open Network/Wi-Fi settings. Go to your TV settings, network, then Wi-Fi or wireless. Step 3. Look for Xfinity Wi-Fi. Xfinity says this is the open hotspot network used for connecting to Xfinity Wi-Fi. Step 4. Connect to it. Don't enter your normal Wi-Fi password. Now Wi-Fi Pass uses a web-based authentication page rather than a normal Wi-Fi password. Step 5. Wait for the Now Wi-Fi Pass login page. After connecting, the device should attempt to open the Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass sign-in page. You may see something like Get Connected or Connect Now. Step 6. Sign into your Now Wi-Fi Pass. Enter the credentials associated with your Now Wi-Fi Pass, then select Sign In. Once authenticated, the TV should have internet access. Now, if the login page doesn't appear, try disconnecting and reconnecting. Then test the Now Pass on your phone. Connect your phone to Xfinity Wi-Fi, then open a web browser. If the Now Wi-Fi Pass page appears, complete the login. This confirms that the hotspot and your Now Pass are working. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.